Today we're going to take a look at Red Devil's Asphalt Crack Filler. Some of the most common uses for this product are asphalt driveways, parking lots, and expansion joints. Now let's see how this product performs. Before you get started, make sure you clean all the debris out of the crack, and you're working on a crack that's about a 1/2 inch wide, no more than 3/8 inch deep. And when you're applying this product, make sure that you keep about a 3/8 inch bead, making sure you fill all the crack. After applying, smooth with a putty knife, and that's it.